Do you know many people are having trouble with a blue display instead of the picture on their Angelcare AC1100 baby monitor? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate blue screen. Hold the ON/OFFF button on the parent unit for 2 seconds till a blue screen comes up. Step 2. Display video mode. Now, the video mode screen will be displayed on the parent unit. Step 3. Access main menu. Tap the menu icon to explore the main menu. Step 4. Explore menu options. Once in the menu mode, you will see various options. Step 5. Establish connection. Long press the left wing button on the nursery unit for 2 seconds to establish a connection. Step 6. Check connection status. Check the parent unit screen for out of range or lost connection icons on the indicator bar. After following these steps, you should get the picture displayed instead of the blue screen on your Angelcare AC1100 baby monitor. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Angelcare users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.